This is SAT, Digital SAT Practice Test 1, Math, Module 2 Hard. If you get 17 or more correct in the first module, you get the hard second module for math. This is question number 11. It's got two equations. One is a line, 8x plus y equals negative 11. The other one is a parabola, 2x squared equals y plus 341. The graphs of the equation of the system of equations intersect at a point, xy, in the xy plane. What is a possible value of x? Well, this is systems of equations. And maybe you recognize that one is a line and one is a parabola, maybe you don't. But this is a job for Desmos. In the old Superman cartoon, he would say it like that. He'd say, this is a job for Superman. His voice would get very deep. So I'm just going to plug these into Desmos and see where they intersect. 8x plus y equals negative 11. On Desmos, I cannot copy and paste 8x. On Blue Book, I can't. On the web, I can, but 8x plus, I think it's y, equals negative 11. So I'm going to do it just like I would on Blue Book. And 2x squared equals y plus 341. 2x squared equals y plus 341. And, I mean, this is multiple choice. It's got negative 15, negative 11, 2, and 8. I know that it's asking for an x value, and so I can just see which one of those values is a point of intersection. There is negative 15, and there is positive 11. So negative 15 and 11, it shows on the graph where they intersect. I just click on either equation, then it's going to show me gray dots where they intersect. And I click on, or just mouse over the gray dots, and it shows the values. And so negative 15, the answer is A. I can also do this with math. If I don't want to do it on Desmos, I can subtract 8x from both sides. Y equals negative 11 minus 8x. And then on this one, I will subtract 341 from both sides. Y equals 2x squared minus 341. Then I will set these two equations equal to each other. 2x squared minus 341 equals negative 11 minus 8x. I will add 8x to both sides, 2x squared plus 8x. I will add 11 to both sides, minus 330. Negative 341 plus 11 is 330 equals 0. And now I will divide everything by 2, x squared plus 4x minus 2 times 1 is 2, is 13, 6 is 12, 1 is 13, 5. Minus 165 equals 0. Well, the answer choices give me some help here. I mean, I'm imagining, I'm using my imagination and pretending I didn't find it on Desmos. Here, I'll see if I can delete that. Well, that's going to take a long time to delete that. Well, I'll just do it anyway. I will delete that as if I don't know. If I'm doing this, I don't know. I haven't already found it on Desmos. So I'm deleting that. So I don't know the answer is negative 15, but I'm going to look at those, and I'm trying to find numbers that multiply to 165 and add negative 165 and add to positive 4. Well, 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 11 is 88, 8 times 15 is 120. So it's going to be 11 and 15, and the 15 has to be negative. X, 15 has to be positive, rather. X plus 15, because when I add them, I want a positive 4. X minus 11 equals 0. That's how I factor it. And then I use the zero product rule, set each one of those factors equal to 0. X plus 15 equals 0. I subtract 15 from both sides. X is negative 15. X minus 11 is 0. Add 11 to both sides. X is equal to 11. So it's either negative 15 or 11. There it is, negative 15. So either way, Desmos, I think on this one is faster, but certainly I can get it just by setting them equal to each other and factoring.